this video we are going to discuss about how to use GDC for solving the simultaneous or in fact simultaneous linear equations, and how to use GDC for sigma notation, how to use GDC when the sequence is given in recursive form or if the sequence is given in variable form. Let's see them one by one. First of all, let's say if we have to use GDC and the sequence is given in a variable form or deductive sequence. For example, an nth term is given 3n plus 1. See the GDC screen. First of all, we should know that our GDC is on function mode. Okay, and then few points which I would like to tell you about the use of GDC. If we are using, like if we need to use any of the blue colored keys, so we press second followed by that key. Let us say I want to find sine inverse. I press second followed by sine inverse. So again, any blue colored key can be activated by first pressing second, then followed by the key which we need. Similarly, for green colored, we can activate or use the green color letters or keys which are given on the screen, and similarly these green blue colored keys and black colored keys. Okay, let's see, let's go to the screen again. Now we go to the y equal, so we have sequence as 3. Our sequence is un is equal to 3n plus 1, so n is used as x on the GDC screen, the variable n. Okay, so 3n plus 1, then we use second followed by let's say double. So our first term we can say is, let's see, we want to start at 1, and let's keep it also 1, and then so we can see the first term, second term, third term. So in this way we can form the terms of the sequence. The sequence is given in the deductive form. Okay. Now if the sequence is given in recursive form, for example, un is equal to 2 times un minus 1, nth term minus 3. So nth term is 2 times the previous term minus 3. That's the meaning. Okay. First we need to go to mode. We need to set our mode on the sequence. You can bring your cursor on the sequence mode, press enter. Now again press y equal to, you can see times un minus 2 times, so 2, and we want to use u here, so press second followed by u, and then in the bracket n minus 1. Don't press times, otherwise the format will take n minus 1 and plus, what is the sequence? We can see the sequences, and minus 3. So then we keep the first term. Let's say first term is negative 7, so we can press second followed by graph. So you can see the first term is negative 7, negative 17, so you can see all the time in the sequence. Let's say we want to evaluate I is equal to 4 to 50, I raised to power 9 minus I raised to power 5. That's too complicated. If you evaluate manually, it takes a lot of time to move back to these functions so that it can be used again. So let's go to math again, and then we use summation. So enter summation. The question which we are doing is I is x here, variable is x is equal to 4 to 50. So keep moving the cursor, and then we have x raised to power 9, anything, not only the same, x raised to power 9 minus x raised to power, let's say 5. x raised to power 5. For raised to power we use this cap key, so that okay, so we get the answer in a standard form 1.077147068 times 10 raised to power 16. So when you write the answer in your answer booklet or in your exam, you should not write e times 16. This is a calculator display, so but you should use e means 10, base 10. So 1.077 will be rounded to 3 significant figures, so 1.08 times 10 raised to power 16 will be the answer to this question. Okay, now how to, let's go back to the mode again. How to use how to solve simultaneous equations, because sometimes when we are dealing with arithmetic sequence or in sequences, we get to solve two simultaneous equations or two linear simultaneous equations where we are given the terms and we are asked to find the first term and the common difference. So let's say we have these two simultaneous equations to the screen, and then we press apps here this time, and you see PLY's SMLT2. In some GDC you will get at number 8, but here it's a number 9, so we press number 9. Now polynomial root finder, simultaneous equation solver. So we need simultaneous equation solver. We press enter. Now we have two equations and two unknowns, two linear equations and two unknowns. So our selection here on the screen is correct. So we can just press graph and we get these two formats. So here the coefficient in our question is 2u1 plus 3d. So u1 is a variable, so here in calculator x is in place of u. We enter here 2, enter, u1 is x, so plus, already in the question we have is 2u1 plus 3d. The cursor will take you to the next term, that is our equation is 3, so we press enter 3. The d is y here, so equal to, what is this? We need to use negative. We enter, so it takes. Then the second equation is plus 13, then minus, it's between two terms, so minus, and then the equation is, so negative 15 is equal to 4. Then we press graph and we get the u1 is negative 11 by 23 and common difference is negative 47 by 69 as the solution. I hope this will help you. Thank you.